Hello again and welcome back. Do you like to type? How about making extra cash? With the website we're going to show you today, you can do both. How awesome is that? Let me show you just how much you can make. If you type 1 page of names, you earn $15. Typing 5 pages of names will earn you $75. And when you type 20 pages per day, you can earn $300. The best thing about it is that it's unlimited. You can type as much as you want while earning as much money as you can as well. You can do this with your desktop or your smartphone. This opportunity is 100% free and is available worldwide no matter where you are. Be sure to stay till the end of the video so you don't miss out on the sign up process, as it can be tricky and most folks do it wrong. Alright, let's get right into it. Open a new window on your internet browser. Then head over to a website called talentdesire.com. On the home page, you can see they offer many online money-making gigs like online proofreading, blogging jobs, content writing jobs, and more. Over on the right-hand side of the home page, scroll down to the online typing jobs part and click the red More button. This will open that tab. On this page, you can explore different things like how it works, pay rates, how much you can expect to get paid per month, the earnings simulator, and requirements. This is a very good way to make extra cash, even hundreds per day. You can earn money at home without investing a dime. It's totally free and you don't need any money to get started. On this page, you can see under top pay that you can earn up to $27,000 per year or more, depending on your skill level. As your skill level increases, so will the amount you can earn. If you scroll on down, you can see what you can earn at what level, from beginner to expert. The more you know and better you become, the more you can earn. Bonus tip: if you get a typing certificate from an online speed typing test website such as ratatype.com, you will be able to boost your income, your earnings rate per page. And this is a good little hack, as even though you are completely new to talentdesire.com, you can present them with this certificate and prove to them that you can type proficiently. You will get accepted much more quicker, earn higher rates, and score more jobs than others. This will allow you to earn $300 or more per day just typing names. They want your speed and accuracy to be top-notch on talentdesire.com, and taking the speed typing test and having the certificate will also prove to them right up front what your speed and accuracy are, and that you can meet their requirements 98 to 99.99 accuracy. To get your free typing certificate, go on their website and take the typing test. Then set up your account using your email. Once your account is created, then log in, and over on the right-hand side, you will see your typing certificate. You can download this as a PDF file for later or print it out using your computer and printer. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell icon to be notified when I release new videos. Now, on to the sign-up process we talked about before. Head back over the talentdesire.com under the Online Typing Jobs tab, and then scroll down to the red Apply Now button. That will open the Apply Now page. Under Step 1, please click on the red Select an Application Form link. This will lead you to the Application for Work at Home Jobs page. Here you can choose to click on the online application form or the offline application form. Complete either one and follow the steps in the process, and you'll be set to go. Please pay close attention on how to find the application page, as these links are kinda hard to find. Rewind this video as much as you need to understand the process, or bookmark it to refer back to later on during Sign Up. They accept people from all over the world. Comment below and let me know what country you're from. Please enter Professional Data Entry Specialist under the preferred job title box in the application. It's very important that you type this job title, as it will broaden your aspects of getting more jobs. After that, you can then select All Day under the Available Times part. You can select what you want, but doing it this way will broaden even more chances or more jobs. Then you can go below that and choose how you want to get paid. PayPal is the easiest for me, but you can choose from several methods the one that best suits you. Once you have completed the application, make sure you click on the box marked Yes, I have read and accept the above statement, and then enter your name to sign it, and click on the I'm not a robot box, and then click on the Submit button, and there you go. Simple as that. Once you get accepted, then you can start earning jobs to get paid to type. Pretty neat, huh? Make sure that you turn in your completed jobs on time to keep receiving more and more daily job emails. Click on the video link you see here popping up to watch more videos on making money ideas. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So long for now.